Now we come to the summary and wrap up for this course. And firstly, let me congratulate you warmly on completing the course, and I really hope you've got a lot out of it. I actually think this has been one of the best courses I've ever produced, just for the sheer detail and sequencing of putting everything together to try to make something that is ostensibly really quite complex, hopefully easy to understand, and with providing you with all the detail you need to create this funnel for yourself. If you do have any questions about the course, then definitely reach out for me and I will do my best to help you. So let's take a look at what we have covered in the course. And it has been quite a complicated process, but step by step together we've worked through, and I hope you really feel that you can now create a similar 7-day webinar marketing funnel based on the outline and all the detail I provided you within this course. I've shown you all the key email sequences. Now I have assumed, for the purpose of completeness, that you've got a joint venture partner or an influencer. If you don't, obviously you just have to drop those out of the funnel. It's easier to take things out than to try and to work out how to put things in later. I've also shown you all the key funnel elements, videos, pages, workbooks, all the detail and exactly where they fit in together. And hopefully that will help you to put your own detail together. I've shown you all my autoresponder sequences from the registration all the way through to the very detailed entire ActiveCampaign autoresponder sequence, which enables you to send out autoresponders tailored for each different day that somebody might actually register for your webinar. So huge amounts of very careful detail. I've given you screenshots of every single email I send out in this campaign so that you can design your own emails as well. But I've also shown you the screenshots so that you get an idea of the style, not just the content. The course has explained every component of the funnel, which is why I've given you the funnel diagram build up, parts 1 to 12. And that's shown you how you arrive at what on the face of it looks quite complex, but actually, if you follow the parts 1 to 12 sequentially, and you can go back and pick those lectures out, then you'll understand exactly how this funnel gets put together. I really hope this helps you to create amazing and high converting webinars for your own products and services. And I wish you the very best of success with everything you do in the future. Thank you very much for taking the course, and I really look forward to seeing you very soon again in another one of my courses. I've been John Colley, and it's been a pleasure to work with you in this, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.